Wait, before you buy this bike for daily use, you need to hear this, because one wrong choice can turn your daily ride into a daily headache. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wheelwise Joe. And today we're answering one of the most common questions every rider asks before spending their money. Is this bike actually good for daily use? And I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. This is my honest opinion, based on what real riders experience every single day. Now first, when we talk about daily use, we're talking about real-life riding. Morning traffic, stop and go roads, heat, dust, bad streets, speed breakers, long commutes, fuel costs, maintenance, and comfort. A bike can look amazing on Instagram, but if it can't handle your daily routine, it's not worth it. Let's start with comfort. For daily use, comfort is everything. If the seat is too hard or the riding posture is too aggressive, your back and wrists will start hurting after a few days. Many sporty bikes look cool, but they're not made for daily city riding. If this bike has a relaxed handlebar position and decent seat cushioning, then yes, it's already a good sign. But if it forces you to lean forward too much, it will feel tiring in heavy traffic. Next is fuel average. Daily riders need a bike that doesn't drink fuel like crazy. If the engine is powerful but the mileage is low, you'll feel it in your wallet very quickly. A good daily bike should give a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. If this bike gives good mileage while still feeling smooth, then it's definitely daily friendly. Now let's talk about engine performance. For daily use, you don't need extreme speed. What you need is smooth pickup, easy gear shifting, and reliability. If this bike starts easily, doesn't overheat, and feels stable in traffic, then it's doing its job. A bike that overheats or vibrates too much can become annoying very fast. Maintenance is another big factor. Some bikes are cheap to buy, but expensive to maintain. If spare parts are hard to find, or service costs are high, then daily use becomes stressful. A daily bike should have easily available parts, affordable service, and simple maintenance. Now, let's compare it quickly. If we compare this bike with a commuter bike, the commuter will usually win in fuel average and low maintenance. But this bike might win in style, comfort, and road presence. And if we compare it with a sports bike, this bike will probably be more practical, more comfortable, and cheaper to run daily. Now, here's my honest opinion. If you're a rider who wants a bike that looks good, feels smooth, and can handle everyday traffic without killing your fuel budget, then yes, this bike can be a good daily option. But if you're expecting super high mileage like a basic commuter bike, then you might feel disappointed. Daily use is all about balance. And this bike is for riders who want both practicality and a little fun. So final verdict. If your daily ride includes city roads, traffic, and moderate distance commuting, then yes, this bike is a solid choice. It gives you comfort, decent performance, and style. But if your priority is only fuel saving and minimum maintenance, then a simpler commuter bike might suit you better. That's it for today's honest review on Wheelwise Joe. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more real bike opinions and comment below what bike you're using daily. Until next time, ride safe and stay wise.